Hi folks, welcome to Neil's Wheels. Today we're going to fit a beak extension to the BMW R1250 GS. Right, so here we are in the shed. This is the box, extension front wheel cover. So let's have a look what's inside the box. Well packaged. So we have the beak. Okay, now it looks like it's fairly simple to fit as there's only one fixing hole there, so that shouldn't be too bad, and only one fixing in there with a couple of clips, and that's it. So we'll go back outside and have a look and see just how easy this is in fact to fit to the bike. So here we are back at the bike. Let's get this thing fitted. Let's see, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. I'm afraid it's really dark in here, but hopefully you can see under there's that square hole. So this metal clip is going to go into that hole. So it fits on over there, I believe, like that. And that should then give us a thread in which to put the screw in for the extender. So let's do that next. Let's excuse the wobbly camera work. So this is going to go on here and hopefully line up, as you can see, with that hole there. I'm going to put a screw in there which comes with the kit, and I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite on there just to hold it in place. So we've got these two clips to fit now which have been provided. I'll just show you those clips. There they are. So they just clip onto the recesses which we have, one here, if you can see that, and there's one on this side as well. So you'll push those clips on. I'll show you what they look like when they're in position. So there we go, that's it all completed. A very quick job actually, it didn't take long at all. So looks effective, just the job. Should show the clips underneath because I don't think I showed you. There's one just there. So they're quite discreet. I'll just show you on the other side, it's obviously going to be the same. Just there. Thanks for watching. I hope I've made somebody's life easier and show you it's not difficult at all to fit these beaks to the bikes. So thanks for watching. That's the beak fitted now, which looks great I think, quite easy to do. Probably 15-20 minutes at the very most.